So everybody is aware to some degree of the effect of planets, their aspects and their positions on our lives. What they're going to be teach you is how to use these, how to channel the energies so you're in the most positive aspects all the time. Every time there's a positive aspect going on, which can bring joy, abundance, ease, whatever, you can capture that energy, so you're in it all the time. And those negative aspects, by channeling those energies properly, you can gain the massive transformation that they teach without all the trauma. So what they're going to teach you is how to capture these planetary energies and use them for your benefit. By making talismans involving what we call the kamea, the squares of numbers, the sigils of the spirits and the divine names, you can create talismans which gather the energy of these planets so they act for you, never against you. And to help with this, I'm going to give you attunement to the Vedic planetary intelligences. This will make sure that the planets are your friends. They'll give you what you want, take away all the trauma, and make your life go easy and smoothly in the direction you want, while aiding your transformation and growth. So come to this workshop, and you won't regret it because it'll be master your life. Use these planets, no longer be the victim, be the master.